Hello Python programmers. Today I want to introduce you to the best library of Python that is called Turtle Programming in Python. Basically, this programming came into role so that we can introduce kids also to the world of programming. In Python, the turtle is a special feature of Python that is basically used for drawing, and this was the part of the Logo programming language. Logo programming language was basically, it came into role for kids so that the kids can draw the simple graphs in a very simple way. So to make use of the turtle methods and functionalities, we need to import the turtle module. Turtle comes with the standard Python package, and it doesn't need to be installed externally. Basically, we are going to create the beautiful patterns, and it is used to draw. And this whatever you are observing on the screen, I am going to draw this particular pattern with the help of programming today, and that programming we are doing in Python, and the feature and the library that we are using, Turtle. It comes pre-installed. We don't need to install it separately in Python. So firstly, we need to import the Turtle module. So let's start with programming. Basically, here we need to create a new file, and we are going to save this file with .py extension. Our first step is to import the turtle module, and the second step of our programming is to set the background color of our turtle window. Firstly, we need to define our window over here. Then we are going to define the pen size. Here we are going to define our pen size. It depends on your requirement, whatever pen size you want to give. Then we are using one method over here that is called turtle.speed, and I am giving the argument over here 0. Turtle.speed method, it is a method that is used in the turtle programming, used to change the speed of the turtle by the value of the argument that it takes. Basically, here these are the different numbers. We are going to work on the fastest speed, so accordingly we are giving our arguments over here. Now we will define one list having the different colors that you can choose by your own. I want to just show you that how can we create the beautiful colorful patterns over here. So finally, here we are discussing red, blue, and then we can define any color, green. Let's define one more color also, yellow. So this is how we can define our list, and then we are using for loop over here for I in range 9. So in Python programming, you might have learned about the for loop in my previous videos. This range function, you know, if it is 9 is given, it means it will start from 0 and 9 minus 1 and end up to the value 8. So as per the syntax, for I in range 9, then for A in this list C, here I will define turtle dot color. I am going to change the color of my turtle pen with the value A that it will take from the list C. Then I am going to define one circle with the specified radius in its brackets. I am going to define the circle, and this 100 that is given as a radius, and then these values are not fixed, that you can take according to your own requirements. Then turtle.left 20, what does it mean? It means that you are going to change the direction of the turtle by the value of the argument that it takes. So what it is doing, it is just going to change the direction of your turtle as we are going to create the pattern, so the loop will run in that particular range value 9. Finally, after doing this, we are going to just add here the last line, that is turtle dot main loop. Here we are going to save our program, and let's run our program and see whether that beautiful pattern is there or not. So you can see, my dear viewers, that this is the magic of the turtle programming in Python. Not only this, there are a number of patterns that you can create and your kids, they can learn programming very easily. It is the best feature of Python that they can start with and enjoy this particular language. Thank you, class.